Hello, everyone, and welcome back to the channel. In today's podcast, we're going to discuss an important role in housekeeping and hospitality, the housekeeper. A housekeeper is responsible for maintaining cleanliness, hygiene, organization, and a comfortable environment in homes, hotels, offices, hospitals, and other facilities. But what exactly does a housekeeper do? What are the roles and responsibilities? What are the daily duties? And what skills and qualities are required? Let's understand everything in simple language. First, let's understand what is a housekeeper. A housekeeper is a professional who performs cleaning, maintenance, organization, and housekeeping-related tasks to keep a property clean, hygienic, and well-maintained. In simple words, a housekeeper makes sure that rooms and assigned areas are clean, organized, and ready for use. The exact responsibilities depend on the workplace. Now let's talk about the roles and responsibilities of a housekeeper. One of the main responsibilities is cleaning rooms and assigned areas. The housekeeper cleans floors, furniture, surfaces, bathrooms, rooms, and other areas according to workplace standards. Another important responsibility is making beds and changing linens. They replace used bed sheets, pillow covers, towels, and other linen items as required. Another major duty is cleaning and sanitizing bathrooms. They clean toilets, sinks, showers, mirrors, floors, and other bathroom areas while following appropriate hygiene procedures. Another important responsibility is dusting and surface cleaning. The housekeeper removes dust and dirt from furniture, fixtures, shelves, windows, and other surfaces. Another duty is waste collection and disposal. They collect waste from assigned areas and dispose of it according to workplace procedures. Another important responsibility is checking supplies. They may monitor cleaning materials, toiletries, linens, and other housekeeping supplies and report shortages to the supervisor. Another duty is reporting maintenance problems. If they notice damaged equipment, leaking taps, broken lights, or other maintenance issues, they report them to the appropriate department. Another important responsibility in hotels is preparing guest rooms. Housekeepers make sure guest rooms are properly cleaned, organized, and ready for new or existing guests. Another duty is handling lost and found items. If a guest's belongings are found, the housekeeper should follow the organization's lost and found procedure and report or submit the item to the responsible department. Another important responsibility is following health and safety procedures. Housekeepers should use cleaning products and equipment safely and follow workplace hygiene and safety guidelines. Now let's discuss the daily work of a housekeeper. A typical day may begin by receiving assigned rooms or areas from the supervisor. The housekeeper collects the required cleaning materials and begins cleaning the assigned areas. During the shift, they may clean rooms and bathrooms, change linens, remove waste, replenish supplies, and check the overall condition of the area. They may also report maintenance problems, missing items, or other issues to the supervisor. At the end of the shift, they may clean and store equipment, return supplies, and update the supervisor about completed work or pending issues. The exact routine depends on the workplace. Now let's talk about the skills required to become a housekeeper. The first important skill is cleaning and housekeeping knowledge. A housekeeper should understand proper cleaning methods and know how to use common cleaning tools and equipment safely. The second important skill is time management. Housekeepers often need to complete several rooms or assigned areas within a specific time. Another important skill is attention to detail. Small areas such as corners, mirrors, bathroom fixtures, and surfaces should not be overlooked. Organization is also important for managing cleaning materials, linens, supplies, and assigned tasks. Another useful skill is basic communication. Housekeepers need to communicate with supervisors, coworkers, guests, or other employees when required. Physical stamina can also be important because housekeeping work may involve standing, walking, bending, lifting, and repetitive activities. Now, let's discuss the qualities of a good housekeeper. A good housekeeper should be clean, responsible, hardworking, punctual, disciplined, organized, honest, and detail-oriented. Another important quality is professionalism. Housekeepers, especially in hotels and other customer-facing environments, should behave politely and professionally. Reliability is also important because housekeeping is essential for maintaining the cleanliness and usability of a property. Another important quality is respect for privacy. Housekeepers may enter private rooms or handle guests' belongings, so they should respect privacy and follow workplace policies. Patience is also useful when dealing with demanding tasks or customer requests. Now let's talk about qualification and eligibility. Requirements vary depending on the employer. Many entry-level housekeeper positions may accept candidates with a basic school education, while some hotels and organizations may prefer candidates with housekeeping or hospitality training. Previous experience in hotel housekeeping, cleaning services, domestic work, or facility maintenance can be an advantage. Freshers may also find entry-level housekeeping opportunities depending on the employer. Now, let's look at some common workplaces for housekeepers. They can work in hotels, resorts, hospitals, private homes, offices, schools, hostels, restaurants, clubs, service departments, and other facilities. Now let's discuss the career path of a housekeeper. With experience and additional training, a housekeeper working in a hotel or large facility may progress into positions such as senior housekeeper, housekeeping supervisor, executive housekeeper, or housekeeping manager, depending on the organization. Developing skills in housekeeping operations, team supervision, inventory management, hygiene standards, guest service, and leadership can support career growth. Before applying for a housekeeper position, always check the specific job description. Pay attention to the workplace, working hours, shift requirements, physical work requirements, cleaning responsibilities, experience requirements, and other job conditions. Let's quickly summarize today's topic. A housekeeper is responsible for maintaining cleanliness, hygiene, organization, and proper presentation of assigned rooms and areas. Their responsibilities may include cleaning, changing linens, bathroom cleaning, waste disposal, supply checking, reporting maintenance issues, room preparation, and following safety procedures. Important skills include cleaning knowledge, time management, attention to detail, organization, communication, and physical stamina. Important qualities include responsibility, punctuality, discipline, honesty, professionalism, reliability, hard work, and respect for privacy. For people interested in housekeeping, hospitality, cleaning services, and facility support, a housekeeper role can be a good career opportunity. That's all for today's podcast. I hope this explanation helped you understand the housekeeper job description, roles, responsibilities, duties, skills, and qualities. Thank you for listening, and I'll see you in the next episode.